Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. Not expecting much to be going on, but there's a bit of a talking point brought up yesterday. It's split opinion, to be honest. The blue seat, that I've said. I'm doubtful that it is a seat now, having got home and looked at it. But we'll go in and have a look. So we'll start inside first. It's just that when I look closer at it, it didn't look looks like it's propped up against the seat rather than being a seat. I don't need to get over and back up. Let's zoom in there and have a good look at it. Whatever it is still there. So it looks the same size and shape as the pull down, but as you see, it's on the step. So so the red seat next to it on the left, if that pulled down, you'd be sitting on that seat, and your feet would be on the steps. So that's leaning or sat on the floor by it. So I don't know, guys. Another thing that's been brought up is when I said the brackets are getting brought out and to be put in, people said they've been taken out. So far they've been taken out of here. I haven't looked back at my videos, so I'm not too sure. Can't see any drill holes, so I don't know. So the reason for them getting taken out, if they have been taken out, is what? Were they being put in wrong? So anyway, yeah, I don't think that's a blue seat either. It's a great idea for the club though, if anyone's watching or listening. You know, even if it's just for one match, just the Everton match, just throw a blue seat in the lower tier, down here, where the away fans are going to be. Let one of his family members sit on it. And then take it back out again and put a red one in. Let's see what's going on here. Got a plumb line for something. But I don't know what, so I'm not even going to guess. No game at Anfield this week. Everton at home, Liverpool are away. Someone wanted me to, let me just zoom out touch. Someone wanted me to look down at the seats. They said there's where seats are missing. I think you mean where the disabled section is. You want me to zoom in here? That's just for disabled fans, that's all that is. Car park wise, it's looking the same as yesterday. There's not many cars there. But saying that, I was here early yesterday and I'm here early today. When I was leaving yesterday, there was cars coming in with work people in. So I don't know if they're getting on site later, ready for the full start on a week on Monday. I don't know. Yeah, sorry about the jerkiness again, guys. Right, that brickwork has come on immensely. Look at that, it's brilliant, that. That'll get done today, that, won't it? About 16, 17 more courses to go in. That's why I was a little bit quiet. I was counting the bricks. There's not a lot happening on site, but we're not expecting it yet. It's been good to get something this week, some movements. So that's all. We've got, you know, machinery on site, materials. So it's all positive. That's what they mean when you say a soft start. Let's get around this side, see if any news arrives over here. Looks like there's more stuff, doesn't there? Oh yeah, there's a wagon. Oh, what's that? Is that sands? Cement? What is it? Looks like mousse. Looks like chocolate mousse. I'll go and get a big spoon. Go and get a ladle and help yourself to it. So what's that? What mix is that? It's not cement, is it? I'm trying to read the side there, but it's a bit small on the screen. Yes, it's concrete. Concrete mortar, yes, yeah, so, yeah, okay. I was going to say it does look a bit like mortar, but wouldn't you have to use that fast, because it wouldn't harden. Got a cherry picker on site, okay. More lifts there. So we've got a cherry picker. Obviously ready to be offloaded, so yeah, that's good news. So we like to say to cherry pickers, that means cladding's getting done. Yeah, I don't think it's ready to come off yet. So I'm not going to hang around and wait for it. So all positive, guys, anyway. Just, you know, I'll get side on and have a good scan down there. See, there's no movement whatsoever down there. I can't see any workers down there. The only ones that we can see is on the main stand side. Some guys over there. But again, I'm here early, so maybe something will happen this afternoon. That wagon's getting off now. So he's delivered what he needed to deliver anyway. Okay. Which was these 3 buckets of whatever it is. Okay, right. Spot's as much as I can report on the moment. The blue seat, I don't think it is a blue seat. It has split people. I'd say 60-40 are saying not a blue seat, but quite a lot are saying it is a blue seat. But it's just the position of it. If it is a pull down seat, it's leaning against the red seat rather than being in place. But it does look like a seat. It's got the shape, it's got the right size and everything. So maybe it's just a coincidence, and it's a people are saying toolbox and people are saying a bag. Yeah, people are saying a marker for where they want the seats to go, and people are saying it's a seat. So yeah, don't know. So cherry pickers arriving on site on the main stand side. Brickwork's nearly finished on that Canada East side. Loads more materials and machinery on site. Yeah, it's all good. One thing I'm going to do, people keep asking what I'm going to do when this is finished. I'm going to move on to things like history stuff, haunted locations, stuff like that. But I also want to keep the football theme going as well. So I'm going to be doing match day photography, match day vlogs. I'm also going to, let me know if this is something that you want to see. I might do local hotel reviews. So I'll stay the night in local hotels that football fans would stay in the local area. So around Anfield, Walton, Kirkdale, Bootle, city centre. If there's any hotels that you're staying in and you want me to do a review in it, say you're booked in to come to a match in, say, December, and you booked your hotel and you want to know what it's like, let me know. I'll see if we can get a night in there and do a review on the hotel for you. But there's loads and loads of hotels, so that could keep me really, really busy, content-wise, as well as doing the other stuff once this is done. So yeah, if you're staying in any hotels, let me know. Don't care how bad. I don't care if it's only £14 a night. Let me know. I'll stay there and do a review on the hotel for you. What it's like, what the room's like, the staff are like, what the area's like, and what type of sleep you're going to get. Disturbed or a nice sleep in a comfy bed or a shoddy bed. Just a little idea I've got. Okay, right. Anyway, guys, I'll leave it there. If you like the channel, please subscribe. I'm 20 away from 13,000. We're climbing. It's always going up. It's never dropping, so that's a bonus. But yeah, I thank everyone for it. Comments, and I will reply. I always reply to comments, and likes are always appreciated. But apart from that, as always, look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.